Now, yesterday's decline in cryptocurrency prices brought the fear and greed index back down below 50 neutrality. Guys, this is extremely important because if you look at it on CoinStats, we're sitting at a level of 48 fear right now. So of course investors aren't willing to go out there and buy up meme coins, buy up risky altcoins. They're sitting there in very neutral, sensation, wondering what's happening next. But if you look at the rest of the indicators, altcoin season at a level of 76 right now. We are in full swing with altcoins outperforming Bitcoin, and I believe that rotation from altcoins into meme coins is going to happen. And because of that, I do want to talk about Shiba Inu coin in this video because it's still one of the most mentioned cryptocurrencies and still one of the most mentioned meme coins in the entire world. So I came across an article that's got a little bit of a price prediction in it. If Bitcoin hits $10 trillion market cap, where could Shiba Inu coin land? Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, I do want to say thank you for watching the videos on this channel. My Clay Bro YouTube channel, I'm not going to be able to use it until December. So here's where we are. If you guys could click that subscribe button, I really would. Thank you. YouTube is not letting me post on that other channel. So I do thank you. It says Shiba Inu coin's price could be more than triple if it follows Bitcoin's trajectory to the leading cryptocurrency attains a $10 trillion market cap. Shiba Inu coin continued to suffer from the effects of the market downturn that started 2 weeks ago. Notably, Shiba Inu coin slipped from the 22nd to the 23rd spot in global cryptocurrency rankings. Now, SHIB has lost the 22nd spot to Toncoin, which currently sits at a market cap of $7.9 billion, while Shiba Inu coin sits at $7.3 billion, $600 million below Toncoin. Now, the community remains optimistic about SHIB's future, and the community is the only reason Shiba Inu coin is here. The community is the only reason Shiba Inu coin is an $8 billion coin. Think about that. Think about what's taken place over the last couple of years. It seems like the ecosystem team has dropped the ball every single step of the way, and they're doing so again right now by allowing a $4.1 million exploit on their Shibarium bridge. $4.1 million stolen. Now, since despite Shiba Inu coin's recent downturn, some community members remain confident that the asset will soon embark on a recovery. Recently, Shiba Inu coin's marketing lead suggested that Shiba Inu coin would regain its all-time high of 8,800 points per coin, and she believes that the upcoming rally will be driven by widespread adoption of the asset. Additionally, some community members believe that the potential spike in Bitcoin's price could impact the potential for Shiba Inu coin and other cryptocurrency assets. Now, I do agree that cryptocurrency rising in general, with Bitcoin moving higher, is going to drive the price of Shiba Inu coin higher. Clearly, at 115,800, nearly 116,000, Bitcoin is doing very well, but we're missing that confidence. We're missing that greed, and that's what drives meme coins. Okay, SHIB can do well if Bitcoin is doing well. It can do well if Ethereum's doing well. You know, it is a blue chip meme, but it is still a meme. And if we come down here and we look at all of the meme coins, you know, over the last week, they've not been performing well. Even over the last 24 hours, guys, down 2.89% in market cap, down 25% in volume here. And it's a mixed bag on the most visited meme coins, with Shiba Inu coin, Pepe, and Doge down, and some lesser known meme coins up. But look at the meme coin market cap, or look at the meme coin price action over the last 7 days. Down about 10%, 10%, 13%, 5%, 8%, 13%, 9%, 17%, 11%. It has been a very, very difficult week for meme coins. And that all boils back down to that fear and greed index. Okay? If people are not greedy, they're not going to be buying meme coins. Now, at a $76 billion market cap, we're still doing very well in terms of overall growth. But this is what happens. See these spikes here? These spikes occur when the greed index rises. This is essentially March of 2024 when we had that rally ripping up. December into January of 2024 to 2025, ripping up. And both of these times were very greedy. You go back to the 2021 rallies. Fear and greed, it was showing extreme greed. and prices were soaring higher. So it really does boil down to sentiment that is going to be driving the price of Shiba Inu coin and other memes, not just Bitcoin. So with that, what I do is I continue to accumulate. You've got to ignore the noise. And right now, trust me, there is a lot of noise. Noise that is telling you that you should be selling, you should be buying. And that's why investors don't know what to do. That's why they're neutral. If you can ignore the noise and simply accumulate until other investors become extremely greedy, that is our signal that we could potentially sell, right? We buy when others are fearful and sell when others are greedy. And that would be our potential sell signal there. It's at least what I'm going to sell. You guys can do whatever you want, right? I'm going to be shaving a lot of my portfolio when extreme greed sets in. So I continue to accumulate, and one of the places that I am doing so is the KCEX exchange. You guys got a link for this down in the description. You can trade meme coins on up to 75x leverage with literally 0% maker and 0% taker fees. If you come out and you want to see some of the other smaller meme coins that are available, you've got links for those down in the description as well. And one of the places I hold a lot of these cryptocurrencies is on Best Wallet. You got your seed phrase, you get your Best Wallet. The cryptocurrency is your cryptocurrency in your custody. And I do like the interface as well. So make sure to check that out if you guys are interested in downloading it. You've got a link down there in the description as well. But let me know what you guys are buying. Are you still accumulating, or are you sitting on the sidelines right now? Let me know, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.